Hi guys, I just want to talk to you about this week's work. So we are in the tethered unit and it is week 5. We click on there and I've given you an email that talks about it, but homework due for Monday is that outline. Please make sure that you that you watch the outline video. It'll explain how to do this and you're going to submit it in Word form as usual. If you're having a blank screen coming up, please contact MIC. I think it's an issue with not having Microsoft. There's a free Microsoft download or converting Google or Pages to Word. So make sure that you're looking into that. For Wednesday, it is the rough draft of our essay, and I give you a student sample. And then for Friday, this time we are not doing a peer review, but you are grading the student sample. So you will open up that student sample and you will grade it using the peer review sheet that you perhaps, hopefully, used last time. But we'll sort of take a step back and use the student sample so that everyone gets reliable feedback. Remember, for peer review to work, right, we needed everyone to turn that in. So this time we're going to try this, and then we'll try to get back to our peer review. So, hi guys, I wanted to talk to you about what is happening this week in week 5, unit 3. We're in our tethered unit, and Monday we are having conferences. So I sent that in an email, but what will happen is that you will attend your conference time with your completed outline. And those conferences have been sent in the email, and they're also available right there at that tab. If we come back to the weekly work, please make sure that when you complete your outline, you check out my video that will help you complete that outline. So you're doing that and you need to submit it in Word file. If you're having an issue with Blackboard coming up blank, I think it is an issue perhaps of not having Microsoft Word. So make sure that you download that free version or you are converting Google Docs. If you can't get it to work, please contact the MIC and they should be able to help you. So on Wednesday, what will happen is you will have the rough draft, and I give you the student sample for you to kind of navigate that. Same formatting as always. And then on Friday, you will have to grade the student sample. So we're going to take a step back from that peer review. You'll be using the same sheet as you did last time, but you'll just be looking at the sample, and that way everyone will have something. Remember that in order for group work to work, we need everyone participating. So this time, I want you to look at that student sample, and then we'll go back to working on each other's work. I think that is all you need to know for week 5. If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact me.